Hello everyone, I'm Miss Davis.
And Osuta Ivan. We are from Cavendish University doing information technology.
We are very excited to be part of the DIIP 2026 at Eyit. I wanted to bridge the gap between the theory world and the practical world. So I think it was the best option for at that moment because I believe it would have helped me get a hands-on, something tangible, something so practical. So as to get that confidence to be in the IT practical world, leaving alone the theory but aside.
For digital skills I had, before joining, I had fundamental skills for computer. Maybe I can say I was just a computer literate.
Wow, for the skills I've gained so far, because you have done several things, at the moment I would just say I have developed my practical skills, project planning,
Photo editing, then video editing.
problem solving.
I learned how to collaborate with other programmers.
And many other more. Tackled a lot of things so far.
I've expanded my skills into practical areas like photo editing, video editing.
But I would say definitely my favorite would be design thinking. Like, oh my god, I have like totally changed my way of thinking, my way of problem solving, and there is a way everything has been like collaborative, like we work as a team. So it has also given me a chance to interact with my fellows and like get used to working like a team instead of individually. Personally, I think moving from my rigid self, moving from my rigid self, like I've been doing my course slowly, I've been at campus, I've been doing my own coursework, like my own knowledge and then understanding was enough to me. But since I joined DIIP, I've learned, like I've embraced it by collaborating with my team, embracing feedback, and learning that failure is just not the end, but a combination of getting different ideas to better yourself. I think it is like we have both some growth mindset. Because now I see myself building a student. I now look at challenges in our community as opportunities to build creative digital answers. It was from one of the sessions we had in design thinking with Mr. Ronald. So the biggest lesson that has had the biggest impact on my life, me, the importance of empathy in technology. Actually, even when Mr. Tisha was talking about it, there is also emphasized it, even put it in our mother tongue by the book. That's like if I'm not mistaken. So the importance of empathy in technology, understanding that the best digital products aren't just the ones with complex code, but the ones that genuinely make life easier for the everyday person using them. Yes, absolutely. Navigating real life projects and seeing my ideas take clear shape has given me immense confidence in my capabilities as a native professional.
I plan to apply these digital skills directly to my future academic projects.
working as a team, coming up with one project, giving in ideas,
and generating income in the real world.
with this confidence, anytime I may be one presenter and Eyit TV, which won't be about like your very long. So, in 5 years to come, I see myself as a professional IT specialist, leading tech initiatives and deploying user-friendly mobile solutions that drive digital transformation. Yes, definitely, 100%. Before I give my reason, we have had a workshop. There is the digital entrepreneurship workshop, then there is also the mentors and innovators meetup. The first workshop, we had a CEO himself, Mr. Cavendish. We had Pandora Networks. We had MTF Baker. We had Mr. Gawa Elden, software engineer. And there was also the CEO of MarTech Solutions. And then we also had a workshop with Teresa Valentine, famously known as China. China was a former digital content creator, but right now, actually local content creator, but right now he's like an international digital content creator. Companies are calling him, organizations are calling him, people are traveling somewhere, they're calling him. He really has some nice journey to follow up. He really has some good stories to listen to. He has actually inspired me a lot personally. It is a total inspiration. If I'm to talk about him, I will definitely spend a day. Why? His journey involved studying, the struggle of him going back to school, his passion for school, his passion for education, regardless of how he survived all that, and his talent. He actually called it recitations. Recitations in our mother tongue is okuvuga, okwevuga. Yeah, okwevuga. So, regardless of having made some good money, regardless of his name being on board, that didn't stop his passion for school, didn't stop his passion to go for education. His life has really inspired me, and it has encouraged me to work hard, to know who I am, and to fight for what I want. So, why am I recommending DIIP 100%? Programs like DIIP don't just teach you isolated skills. They give you comprehensive roadmap for personal development, practical experience, and professional growth. Yes, but moment by getting wherever the program here, DIIP, it has really touched a lot of us. Transformative,
Innovative,
digitalized,
empowering,
entrepreneurship,
content creation,
video editing,
graphics,
lead product designer,
software developer, don't hesitate to start.
The digital world is growing rapidly, and having a digital skill makes you relevant globally. Start with what you have, embrace user-centered frameworks like design thinking, and remember that every expert was once an absolute beginner. Just take a first step.